Hello my dear students. So today in this video we will learn about introduction to IT's industry. So before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, so I would request you please do subscribe the channel. You can subscribe the channel by clicking here. So whatever videos I will upload, so you will receive all the videos on time. So hello everyone. So today in this topic we'll learn about introduction to IT's industry. This is a topic of class 9 subject information technology subject code 402. This is totally a theoretical topic. Introduction to IT's industries. We will learn in this topic that what is IT industries and what are the benefits of IT industries, how IT industries are playing a fantastic role in various industries, and how helping to the industry. So we will learn all these basic things in this topic, introduction to IT's industry. So let's start. So first of all, we'll learn about what is IT. That means what is information technology. So you can see this is a diagram: information technology, communication server, internet network, support applications. So this all are the parts, you can say the parts of information technology. And if you will see what is the definition of information technology, so it means creating, managing and storing and exchanging the informations. It includes different types of technology such as computer, hardware, software technology to deal with the information. See, first of all, information technology करती क्या है, that is most important. So information technology basically manage the informations को store करना, information को transfer करना one place to another place, that is totally to manage the information, that is called information technology. And computer help to manage all these things, so it includes different type of technology such as computer, hardware, software technology to deal with the information. Like the same way I am providing you the information through this video, so I'm exchanging the information with you. So but I'm exchanging the information with you with the help of internet, with the help of computer and with the help of laptop. So that is called, that's why it means creating, that's why it is called, it means creating and managing and storing and exchanging the information, which is called information technology. It includes and it all, because without the help of computer, without the help of laptop, mobile, we can't share the information, we can't share any resources. So that's why it is written here, it includes different type of technology such as computer, hardware, software technology to deal with the information. Okay, now next, this already you know what is hardware. All the physical component of a computer which you can see and touch is called a hardware. Without hardware, without computer, computing device, you can't share the information. आप videos नहीं देख सकते हो because right now all the things are going online, so we can't see the information, you can't see the videos also. So you need all kinds, this kind of hardware, like you need keyboard, mouse, printer. So all the physical component of a computer which you can see and touch is called hardware, which you already know. Software, you also know कि software are the parts of a computer और application which you can see but cannot touch. Software एक ऐसी चीज़ होती है जिसका हर एक सॉफ्टवेयर का एक डिफरेंट टास्क होता है. In MS Word we can type, in MS Excel we can calculate, in VLC media player we can sing, we can hear the song. So along with the hardware, a computer also need a software to function. Software send instruction to the hardware to perform the necessary task. For example, operating system, word processor, spreadsheet, Google, graphics software, this all are the software. Okay, the next word is information technology enabled services. So see what is first, this is new word for you, information technology enabled services. Information technology enables the business by improving the quality of service. Is information technology enabled services वो सारी इंडस्ट्रीज, वो सारी फील्ड जहाँ पे आईटीज़ का यूज़ होता है, और विद द हेल्प ऑफ आईटीज़ जो उनका प्रोडक्शन है, उनकी सर्विसेज से बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव हो जाती है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इनेबल्ड सर्विसेज. Then next is business process outsourcing. This is maybe you are hearing, maybe आप हो सकता है कि ये वर्ड पहली बार सुन रहे हो, but nowadays you can hear in so many areas, like business process outsourcing, the BPO. The BPO, what the full form of BPO is business process outsourcing. Now what is BPO? BPO होता क्या है? So listen, in general term we can understand BPO होता क्या है. BPO is बेसिकली मैं आपको लेट्स सी कि आप कुछ आप बहुत बार एयरटेल कस्टमर केयर पे या जो भी आपका सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है आप उसके कस्टमर केयर पे फ़ोन लगाते हैं व्हेन यू फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम. सो यू आर कॉलिंग अल्टीमेटली टू द कॉल सेंटर और द कस्टमर केयर सर्विस which they are providing when and you discuss your problem and they solve your problem. So what is so that is called a BPO industries. मतलब ultimately they are providing information to you. So performing business operation through an outside with service provider. Now what happen कि जो भी companies होती है like so many companies are there. So वो उनके product के support के लिए किसी third party को appoint कर देती है कि you whenever the customer call you have to solve all their queries. So that means they are appointing a third they are appointing a third party or third company to provide service to the customer. So performing business operation through an outside service provider. Since the industries is very organized, various kinds of jobs are outsourced in India. Some of the BPO services are as follow, like financial and accounting services, e-publishing and web promotion, multimedia and design, healthcare services. This all is given in NCERT book also. Okay, so this is called BPO, business process outsourcing. Now what is business process management? The IT BPM industry, the business process management, in short we also say the IT BPM industry, has been fueling India's growth. IT BPM इंडस्ट्री है वो इंडिया की ग्रोथ में बहुत हेल्प कर रही है. इट प्रोवाइड्स अ वाइड रेंज ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल बेनिफिट्स लाइक सच एज creating employment, rising income levels and promoting exports. See, this is the structure of IT BPM industries. IT BPM industries में मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज आती है, इंडियन सर्विस प्रोवाइडर होते हैं, ग्लोबल इन हाउस सेंटर्स होते हैं. ओके, डोंट वी नीड नॉट गो, नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट, ज़्यादा डीप में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है बिकॉज दिस इज टोटली थ्योरेटिकल टॉपिक. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कि BPM, IT BPM क्या होता है, BPO क्या होता है. BPO इज ओनली अ बिजनेस प्रोसेस आउटसोर्सिंग. सो दैट इज सफिशिएंट फॉर यू. And this is a structure of IT BPM industry. IT BPM industry we can we can categorize in three way, that multinational companies, Indian service provider and global in-house centers. Okay. So thank you for watching this session 1, and now do watch session 2. And in session 2 we will learn about IT applications where we are using ITs. So this was the session 1 in which we have discussed about what is IT, what is information technology, what is hardware, what is software, what is information technology enabled services, what is business process outsourcing, which is BPO, and business process management. So, and structure of IT BPM industry. In the same way it is given on NCERT book also. You can prefer NCERT book also, and you can prefer any other book also, which is whatever is available. And thank you for watching this session. Now do watch session 2. Thank you. So hello everyone, welcome to all of you again. So today in this session we will learn the remaining topic of Unit 1, Introduction to IT's Industry. In the session 1 we have discussed about basics of IT. So in this topic we will learn basically the IT applications. What are the IT applications? If you don't know, so I can quickly recap what we have discussed. So in session 1 we have discussed already that what is information technology, what is hardware, what is software, what is information technology enabled services, which is ITs, what is business process outsourcing, and what is business process management, and structure of IT BPM industry. And in this today's session, this is very interesting session today. We will learn about all these areas where we use IT applications. Okay, so this is basically a topic of today's session. So let's start. So IT application means where we use IT. हम information technology कहाँ use करते हैं? So I think there is no any we can say there is every area from morning जैसे हम उठते हैं till night we use ITs. We are around the ITs. Okay. So in every areas we are using ITs. We are using computer. We are using technology. So first of all, IT in home computing. IT in home computing, in every home there is a computer, there is a laptop, there is a mobile. So we use IT in a home computing means हम computers को घर पे किस purpose से use करते हैं. So we play the games also, children play the games also. We search the website, we search the information, we search the education website, we see the videos, learning video, we send mails and we listen the music. सो दिस इज़ द बेसिकली यूज़ ऑफ आई टी इन होम कंप्यूटिंग मीन्स घर पर हम इस तरह से यूज़ करते हैं कंप्यूटर्स को. नेक्स्ट इज आई टी इन एवरी डे लाइफ. सी आई टी इज़ बेसिकली द पार्ट ऑफ नाउ हैज़ बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ अवर लाइफ. फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टू नाइट वी आर अराउंड द आई टीज़. जैसे ही हम सबसे पहले उठते हैं वी सी द मोबाइल्स की व्हाट आर द मैसेज, व्हाट आर द news for today and what are the message. Okay, your parents, you can see your parents who are working in various companies, so they totally around the ITs matlab, from morning to evening you can see they are working on the laptop, they are working on the mobiles, so IT is totally around us. Okay, so IT in everyday life. IT in library nowadays, library has also IT enabled. You can see all the records of the books the librarian stores in computers. They keep earlier they used to maintain the register, but nowadays they keep the record of all the books which the student are issuing and again they are returning. They keep all the record of that books in the particular system. And also there are e-library also, like you can see in this diagram key. E-library means all the books are available, also available in the PDF and any other version, digital version. So student can directly see the books, e-books means which is called digital book, through the laptop and through the computers. So IT in library also computer software is used to issue and return the books. Books have a magnetic strip attached to it that is deactivated before the book can be borrowed. IT at workplace, you from the picture I think it is easily clear कि computers and computer application are used to work more effectively in the offices. You can't imagine an office without computer nowadays. आप ऐसा कोई ऑफिस इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते हो जिसमें कंप्यूटर्स नहीं हो. अगर कंप्यूटर्स नहीं होगा तो आई डोंट थिंक दे कैन वर्क. So computers and computer application are used to work more effectively in an office. IT in education, computers and IT are used in education for teaching and learning and assessment. It is used to create and transmit information to learners in various forms such as still pictures, audio, video and animation. So this is basically topic IT in education, how IT help in education. So in various way IT help in education, like so many learning websites are available. You can learn through the mobile also, you can learn through the laptop also. Like this there are various ways IT is helping in this field of education. You can see in your classroom there are smart classes are there. IT in education, ICT in a classroom. ICT is used for education in a classroom in the following way: e-learning classroom, like see you can see the smart board is the best example of ICT in a classroom. A smart board presentation, video on experiments, creating of image and videos, and educational games. Again IT in education, this is called a lab. So I was talking about you can lab this in tablet you can use digital book, in laptop also you can use digital book. So IT in education anywhere anytime, accessing book online, accessing educational resources using website and mobile apps, web based training. This is called a digital book which you can use and laptop also and mobile also. IT in education, again teaching aids and media. ICT is used in school for the following purpose: use pictures, animation and audio visual to explain difficult subjects. See how ICT is helping in school education. So the topic which is very difficult to explain orally or theoretically, so you can easily explain with the help of a diagram, with the help of pictures, with the help of videos. So ICT is used in a school for the following purposes: use picture, animation and audio visual to explain difficult subjects, make lesson interesting using a presentation, organize lesson using computer, obtain relevant informations. Again IT in education, learning management system LMS, it is used to manage the school system. It can be used for the following purpose: learn lesson anytime and anywhere, submit queries, come in and get replies through forums, participate in a co-curricular activities, parent can monitor the progress of their children. Learning management system, so many school use nowadays learning management system. So through that learning management system you can learn anytime and anywhere. You can learn you can open it anywhere on any time. You can submit your queries, your comments to the teachers, then teachers can reply on your comment, and online you can participate in all those activity. You can see the example because of this COVID. Nowadays the most of the things are going online, teachers are teaching you online, so you are learning through a learning management system. So many school is having their own software, through that they are teaching to the student, so that is called a learning management system. Then IT and entertainment, I know ki most of all you are aware that IT and entertainment, that Amazon and so many websites are there, and with the help of IT and entertainment, download and you can download and view the movies, you can play the games, you can chat, you can use multimedia, and there are so many things. So IT is also playing a vital role in entertainment industries also. IT in communication. IT is used for following purposes: sending and receiving the mails, chatting, FTP, Telenet, and video conferencing. You can use the you use the WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is again is an example of IT in a communication. With the help of WhatsApp and so many other application, you can talk to other person, you can see the video conferencing also, you can send and receive the mails also, like with the help of Gmail, Yahoo, and Rediff Mail. IT in business, this is wonderful examples. IT in business, you can't imagine business without the help of ITs. You purchase any product from the Flipkart, Amazon, so ultimately you are using your laptop or mobile to order that particular product. You can't imagine Flipkart and Amazon without IT, without internet. All these industries are working with the help of information technology, with the help of computers. If you see Flipkart, if you see Amazon, if you see Myntra, so can all these industries work without internet, without computers? No, all they are dependent on the computers and internet. So IT computers are used in business organization for the following. That is the one role. Flipkart and Amazon, that online that all those part come under the e-commerce, but computers are also are used in business organization for the following, like payroll calculation in industries. जो सैलरी होती है वो सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू कैलकुलेट होती है, बजटिंग, उनका सेल्स एनालिसिस, स्टॉक मेंटेनेंस, दैट हाउ मेनी स्टॉक्स व्हाट आर द स्टॉक इज ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल इन द गोडाउन और एनीवेयर. एयरलाइंस की जो टिकट होते हैं भी बुक विद द हेल्प ऑफ computers or laptop. So like this, IT is helping in business sectors also. IT in science and engineering. Scientists and engineers are use computer for the following: performing scientific calculation, computer aided design, which is called CAD, computer aided manufacturing, storing large amount of data, visualizing three-dimensional object, rocket launching, and space exploration. Means computer is also used in science and engineering sector also. IT in banking, you use Paytm, you use Google Pay, so that is the best example of IT in banking. Nowadays there is no need to go to the bank. If you want to purchase anything, you can purchase online, and you can make the payment also. You can make the payment also online. If you want to send the money to someone, so there is no need to go the bank line. You can directly transfer from your bank to other bank. So like this, IT is helping in banking industries also. So IT in banking, insurance, and marketing. Insurance, you can do your insurance online. You can do the marketing also online. Like this, पहले के टाइम पे पहले एक सिंपल मार्केटिंग होती थी, but nowadays there is a digital marketing with the help of Facebook, with the help of WhatsApp. You can promote your product. So IT in banking, insurance, and marketing sector also are playing a wide role. Customers' data and transaction are recorded by computers. Recurring deposit, ERD, fixed deposit, EFT, money transfer, NEFT, RTGS. This is a form of sending a money. Maybe some of you are not aware what is NEFT and RTGS. So this is a two form through which you can send the money to another account, and online transaction are doing using internet. IT in banking, insurance, and marketing, the same way which I have discussed. Insurance company use computers database to keep all the record up to date. See, all the insurance company, where they stores the data. Suppose कोई इंश्योरेंस कंपनी है, so where they store the data, number of customers have taken their policy. So do they manage the physical copy? No. If they will manage the physical copy, so it would become very difficult. अगर वो रजिस्टर पे नोट करेंगे कि कितने लोगों ने इंश्योरेंस लिया है, तो that is very difficult for you. So they maintain all the database in a computer. creating interesting advertisement by using art and graphic facilities like this. Pay your bill here. So like this is an example of IT in banking and insurance and marketing. IT in healthcare, computerized axial tomography machine CAT is used to make a 3D image of different body parts. Magnetic resonance imaging machine MRI gives digital impression of internal organs of the body. So like this in health industries also we are using IT. IT in healthcare again, this all are the ECG machine जो होती है which works on the base of IT. Cardiac screening machine, electro, this all are the examples of IT in healthcare. Again IT in healthcare, blood sugar testing machine, blood pressure measuring monitor. So this you can see this all are the examples of IT in healthcare. IT in government and public services, Digital India and e-governance initiative of government India's. Computer are used in the following areas. Like see this all are the basically applications of IT कि कहाँ कहाँ हम use करते हैं IT को. So basically IT is we are using in the every sectors. Okay, and this is the last one. IT in government and public relation, digital media and e-governance initiative of a government of India. Like nowadays government is also going on the online. You can apply for your passport online. There is no need to visit personally to any office. You can apply directly online for your passport. You can deposit your income tax online. So all this you can apply for the PAN card online. So IT in government and public services also, digital India and e-governance initiative of a government of India. That means all the government also providing all the services through the digital form, through online. So like this IT is helping in government sectors also. So this is all basically application of IT which is given in your first unit. So no need to worry about this. You can if this questions come in the exam ki how IT helping in the various sectors, so you can write in your own way also how IT is helping in business, how IT is helping in healthcare. So this was totally about IT application which is in unit 1, and this is the last topic of unit 1 which we have discussed in session 2. This was the last topic of unit 1 which we have discussed session 2, IT applications. Again a quick recap. IT in होम कंप्यूटिंग, IT को हम घर पे भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, हम घर पे कंप्यूटर कैसे यूज़ करते हैं. IT इन एवरी डे लाइफ विच, IT in library, library में भी हम we use computers and so many things. IT at workplace, IT in education, IT in education we use smart board. IT entertainment, IT in communication, IT in business, IT in science and engineering, IT in banking sector. Google Pay, Paytm is the best example of IT in banking. IT in healthcare, this CAT, MRI. So this is all is the example of IT and IT applications. So thank you for watching this session 2. Thank you.